sours and sweet bits. Just arrived in Dubai, so gonna go through arrivals and see what's going on. But yeah, I am pretty tired, but to be fair, it was quite an easy flight. It was fine. Finished going through security. I'm just going to find the exit now. I'm going to Sabrina's hotel and go meet her there. I don't think she's awake yet because it's like 9 AM in the morning. So hopefully by the time that I get to the hotel, like, she'll be awake. So I'm just in the Uber now where Sabrina and Sean are staying, so I can't wait to see them because I've not seen my good sis, my cousin, in like a year. It's like her birthday in a few days, so I'm so excited that I get to see her just before her birthday as well, which is super exciting. Yeah, I'm just buzzing and we're gonna do some cool stuff today, so. It's so pretty and I do love the buildings. They're stunning. Look at this one. What's that called, sir? Future Museum? Yeah. Oh my god, is that what it is? I've seen that on TikTok. That's well cute. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Wowee. Just at the bar, I'm just gonna have a coffee waiting for Sabrina. Oh my god. Prepared. Oh, can't believe I'm with my babes. 21st.
Yeah.
21st.
I'm only 20 right now.
Yeah, exactly.
How old are you? You're 19.
Yeah, 19. 2 years difference.
Reunited. Oh.
How cute do we
The
look?
vibe
No,
makes
because
you
I
look
am
sad.
so pale.
Yeah, but you're back Philippines after. You're gonna be.
When I come back.
You're gonna be gorgeous and cool.
Oh my god, I'm so pale. Where are we going? Yes. So this is the Dubai Mall, and then inside it is the Dubai Aquarium. So we're gonna head up in there because it's raining at the minute as well. So it's best to stay inside for now. So we've just bought our tickets for the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo. Buzzing, look at that. How cool is that? Wow.
Look at this.
Nah. How mad? Look at their teeth though. It's so stunning here.
This is insane. This is just the walkway.
Yeah, this is just a walkway. Look at that sword fish.
I've never seen one that's ever. As in.
Sabrina called it a shark.
Yeah, I didn't see the front bit.
Maybe it is a type of shark. No? Okay. How bizarre. How? So we're just on this glass boat. Look how white Sean's Air Forces are.
Yeah, and
I'm so impressed. So yeah, we're just gonna go on this boat. I don't really know what's happening, but it looks super cool. Did you swim with that?
Yeah, it was in the sea.
Isn't that scary? Oh, babies.
They remind me of my dogs.
Look how Oh. What's this?
Alligator's round.
Hard. That is bananas.
That is absolutely
How big is that? Oh, I love penguins.
Welcome to the penguin cove area. So we have here 16 Jetto penguins, 8 male and 8 female. Jetto penguin is the fastest swimming.
I have no idea either.
Down here.
Bruv, it's so big in here that I can't find toilets. What's happening?
We're at the fountain and we've got the bird right over there.
Yep.
Have a little
Bird
gander.
just there. Look at the buildings.
there's the biggest mall currently in Dubai.
Stunning. Gorgeous. It is nice in there, honestly. And the aquarium is so good. But the Burj is Burjing. That's the Burj Khalifa right there. How cool is that? Sabrina and Sean are just taking pictures and videos and stuff. So we are just at the Cheesecake Factory here in Dubai, and we're going to have some food, me, Sabrina and Sean. It's so nice here. And to be fair, it's like pretty decent prices. I've been to Cheesecake Factory before in America, so let's see if it's nice.
Oh, sorry, yeah, that's me, mate. Thank you, sir. Lovely. Pasta da Vinci, please.
Thank you so much.
You smell them, right?
This is beautiful.
So, you want one?
I know. I'm heading back to the airport now, so
Back to go on another plane.
which I'm sad about. Oh,
You ain't waiting there. Let's go, let's go.
I'm back here. I'm now in an Uber on the way to the airport. I hate flying so much. It's just my body hurts. You just sit for hours doing nothing. Thank God I fall asleep like that easy. But thank you so much to Sabrina and Sean for taking time out of their time really to come and see me and spend some time with me at Dubai. Happy birthday, baby. I love you so much, and had the best time. The aquarium was amazing, and Cheesecake Factory, Dubai Mall is like great, and just like seeing all the views and everything is like incredible, like seeing the Burj Khalifa. So yeah, onto the fills. Goodbye Dubai. Dubai in Dubai is actually really decent, like it's really good, and the prices are really good as well, I think. Also I think Dubai's quite fairly priced. Like obviously, like you have to keep things in mind, like traveling, like you have to kind of Uber it places and the food and everything, but to be fair, I think it's pretty decent. Like Cheesecake Factory was nice, like the food was quite lovely, it was really nice, and I think everything was pretty decently priced. Like it's not bad, like it's not what I would expect like Dubai to be like priced at, and yeah, I would so go again here, you guys. My time obviously was cut so short, so I definitely want to spend a longer time here. So when I get the chance, and yeah, when I get the chance, when I have more money, I'll definitely dedicate a whole trip just to Dubai so that I can go to all the places that I want to. So many different stuff, like there's loads of like perfume sections and like makeup sections and stuff. There's like it's definitely one of the more expensive duty-frees that I've been to for sure. There's so many more brands, it's unreal. I'm tired, so tired. Bye bye Dubai. I'll definitely come back. I'll see you again soon because Dubai, UAE, yes please.